Hi, I'm Corbin Hanson, and I'm a Mongolic student taking computer science and software engineering course, and I'll be covering the command line interface in Linux commands, and I'll be using my notes to do codes. And we're gonna start off with ls, which shows all your files, and then cd, which is the path to it. So cd, and then downloads. So now I'm in the downloads tab, as you can see by this right here. And then pwd prints the current working directory, which, as you can see, is home, and then my last name, and then downloads. And then I'm gonna type in cd, and then this little Spanish symbol, and then it gets me out of everything. And then mkdir creates a new directory, and then you put space, and then you name what you want. I'm gonna just name this work. And then to create a new file, you do touch, and then I'm gonna do workers, because like it could be a list. And now if I do ls, you can see there's workers and work. And then rmdir space, and then let's get rid of work, because I can always make it up. Rmdir space work. And now if we do an ls, you can see that it's gone. And then rm basically does the same thing. For a file with rm, you do rm space, and then the the file's name. And then to remove a folder, you do rm space -r, and then the name of it. But I don't have any extra directories right now. mv renames or moves files and directories. So let's quickly make a new file. Work. I mean, mkdir, sorry. And then let's do work. And then I'm gonna move and then I'm gonna make another ls, and see, now I got work. And let's do touch workers. So now I can I can mv word.
Hey, man, are you done? Dude, I will tell you what. Again, you guys have not
mv workers, and then I'm gonna move it to, and then I'm gonna move it to work. Now let's do a ls, and now let's do a cd work, and then do an ls. As you can see, it's in there. And then let's do cat, and then space workers, and then it display the contents, but there's nothing in there. And then nano workers opens it, and you can type in all that. So let's do, and then cute, and then to get out, you should be able to just, you should be able to, and then you do Control X and then enter, because that worked. Sorry. And then to open a file in its actual app, you do xdg-open, and then the only file's name. See, and then it opens it in its actual file. And that's the text I put in. And then less, and then it shows out all of it, and then Q to get out, and then head workers, which, as you can see, there's only 3 things, but then let's do head dash n, and then I'm gonna do the first 2. So then the X and the slash should be gone, and then we're gonna do workers. That should work, and then see as it does that, and then I can do tail dash f, and it would, it shows the end, see, and then it's glitching now, so I have to close out my terminal, and then to open a terminal you just do Control-Alt-T, and then if you do type a who am I, it says the current logged in user, and then ID shows all that stuff, and then add user, and then we're gonna add a user, so let's just do Smith, well, sudo, gotta type the sudo add a user Smith, and then type in your password, and then we're gonna just do 1 2 3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it tells you other stuff, but you can really just type it again, and then it does it. And then we're just gonna do John Smith. And then there's no room, there's no work, none of that. And then you can just type Y. And then if you do get and group, you can see everybody, and you can see Smith is right here. And then if you do pass WD, that changes their password. And if you do sudo pass WD username, it changes the password for, like, if you have multiple users, you can change it for someone else while you're logged into someone else. And then you can create a new group, which you do sudo group add. We're gonna do workers because we're just gonna pretend. And then if I do get int group, you get the idea. I'm just gonna see there's workers, and then you can add someone into the group. To add someone to an existing group, you do sudo user mod -a uppercase G, and then you type in the group name, which is workers, and then you type in the username, which for this guy it's Smith. So then if I do get int group, it shows that he's in the group. And then to delete a group, you do sudo group del1. Sudo group del work. Well, wait. So then I do get int group. You can see it's in there as 1003. And then let's do group delete work, and then get int group, and it's gone. And then top displays your PC's real-time information, and then Q lets you quit, and PS lists running processes, which nothing. DF shows disk storage usage. Uptime shows how long it's been running. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching my introduction to programming vlog.